In this video, I'll show you how to create a brochure in Canva. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Select Brochure from the list of design types. Browse through the pre-made templates by entering keywords in the search bar to find the layout that fits your needs. Double-click on any text box to edit the content, such as adding your business name, contact details, or promotional message. To replace older images, drag and drop your photos or graphics onto the template. Customize the background by clicking on it and choosing a new color from the palette or uploading a pattern. Once satisfied, click Share, select Download, and choose your preferred file format to save your brochure. That's it! You've just created a professional brochure in Canva. Thanks for watching.